In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail password issue in Outlook. If Outlook keeps prompting for your Gmail password or fails to connect, we'll walk through a clean, reliable sequence to get things working again without guesswork. First, make sure Gmail is set up to allow Outlook to connect. Open Gmail in your browser. Click the gear icon, choose See All Settings, and go to the Forwarding and authentication IMAP tab. Under IMAP Access, enable IMAP. Then scroll down and click Save Changes. IMAP must be on or Outlook won't be able to synchronize your mail properly. And that often triggers repeated password prompts. Next, clear out any stale credentials Windows might be holding onto. On your Windows PC, open the Start menu and search for Credential Manager. Open it, choose Windows Credentials, and look for any entries related to your Gmail account or Google servers. Remove those entries. This step wipes out dated tokens and cached passwords that can conflict with the fresh sign in you are about to do. Be careful to remove only the entries tied to your mail account. Now switch to Outlook. Go to File, then Account Settings. And select Account Settings again. Highlight your Gmail account. Choose Repair. Click Advanced, and select the option to let me repair my account manually. Continue with Repair. This tells Outlook to rebuild the connection and request a new sign-in from Google. When prompted, complete the sign-in and allow access so Outlook can authenticate correctly. While you are there, confirm the server details are correct. For incoming mail, IMAP should use IMAP. Gmail, COM with SSL enabled on port 993. For outgoing mail, SMTP should use SMTP. Gmail, COM, with SSL FATLs on port 460. 5 or 587. Using the correct security and port settings is essential. Even a small mismatch can cause Outlook to fail and loop back to asking for a password. If the issue persists, remove and re-ID the account in Outlook. Go back to File, Account Settings. Account Settings, select your Gmail account and remove it. Then add it again. This refreshes the profile, clears hidden configuration problems, and forces a clean authentication. Don't worry, your mail stays safely in Gmail. Outlook will resync it after you sign in. That's it. Thanks for watching.